Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are with the fifth tutorial and we are going to talk about variables. Alright, so we saw what are numbers and how to work with them and what are the number types. So it would be nice now to assign these data types a variable name to easily reference them later on our code. For example, let's see, we can write my cats equal to 2 because I have 2 cats. Before starting anything, I would like to mention some rules for variable names. First rule is that names cannot start with number. For example, one cat. And there cannot be space in the name. Instead, we can use this one. For example, we can use like this, my name. And we can't use symbols like this, for example. Another important rule to remember is not to use any special keyword while typing a variable. For example, we can say list or str, so we don't have to use these kind of special keywords. And how I'm supposed to know what is a special keyword? Any development environment will tell you that by highlighting the text. Python uses dynamic typing, written like this. What that exactly means? This means you can reassign variables to different data types. This makes Python very flexible in assigning data types. This is different than other languages that are statically typed. For example, if we write like this, it's going to be totally fine. My dogs is equal to 2. This is our first variable. And then we write another variable, same like this. So my dogs. And then we again say some names. So let's say first name, and then second name. So this is going to be totally fine with Python, but not in other languages. So now let's put into practical what we discussed. I will write A and I will assign to that variable the number 5. Alright, now let's display the variable. And it says that A is equal to 5. Alright, now let's reassign to that variable the number 10. And then we can see that A is equal to 10. So alright, now we can do an addition like this. A is equal to A plus A, like this. Now let's see the new value in A. Alright, so we can see it's 20. So the addition is done in one line. Now let's see what's the data type of this variable. To do that, we write type and within bracket we write A, actually the name of the variable. And now let's see, int. So by default it's given int. Now let's assign a floating number to the variable like 20.3. Let's press enter. Alright, now let's see the value in A is 20.3. Now let's see the type of this variable. Alright, float, as you can see, because there is a decimal point here. As we discussed earlier, now let's try to use a special keyword to see what happens. So I'm going to use a special keyword as a variable. Now for example, I'm going to type int is equal to 5, and as you can see it got highlighted in green color. So it didn't happen when I typed A. See, it's not going to happen now, but only when I type int it's going to get highlighted. So you know that you don't have to use these kind of words.